Distance, time and temperature. Distance. Distance is a numerical representation of how far apart objects are. In physics or daily life, distance may refer to a physical length or a rough calculation based on other criteria, example, 2 counties over. In most cases, distance from A to B is interchangeable with distance from B to A. Speed. Speed is the rate at which someone or something moves or operates or can move or operate. Time. The measured or measurable period during which an action, process, or condition exists or continues. Relationship between distance, time and speed. Distance equals speed into time. D equals S into T. Speed equals distance by time. S equals D divided by T. Time equals distance by speed. T equals D divided by S. When two of these three quantities are known, the third one can be calculated from these two. A millimeter is our unit of length or distance in the metric system. The symbol for millimeter is millimeters. There are 10 millimeters in a centimeter. A centimeter is our unit of length or distance in the metric system. The symbol for centimeter is centimeters. There are 0.1 centimeters in a millimeter. The international spelling for this unit is centimeter. A kilometer is our unit of length or distance in the metric system. The symbol for kilometer is kilometers. Measure of length is as. Convert kilometer to meters. To convert kilometers into meters, multiply the number of kilometers by 1,000. Convert meters to centimeters. To convert meters into centimeters, multiply the number of meters by 100. Convert centimeters into millimeters. To convert centimeters into millimeters, multiply the number of centimeters by 10. Convert meters to kilometers. To convert meters to kilometers, divide the number of meters by 1000. Convert centimeters into meter. To convert centimeters to meters, divide the number of centimeters by 100. Convert millimeters into centimeters. To convert millimeters to centimeters, divide the numbers of millimeters by 10. Time. A point of time is measured in hours, then minutes and seconds. 1 day equals 24 hours. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Conversion of hours to minutes, minutes to seconds and vice versa. The formula to convert from minutes to hour is hour equals minutes divided by 60. The formula to convert from hour to minutes is minutes equals hour into 60. The formula to convert from seconds to minutes is minutes equals second divided by 60. The formula to convert from minutes to second is second equals minutes into 60. Temperature. The degree or intensity of heat present in a substance or object, especially is expressed according to a comparative scale and shown by a thermometer or perceived by touch. Generally, temperature is measured in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Conversion of temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. F-32 into 5/9. From Celsius to Fahrenheit. C into 9/5 plus 32.